Hi, this is Megan, and I got two really good boxes of Island Batik fabrics and accessories for my 2021 challenges. So here's one of them. It's big. Anyway, that's paper. It's like, let's see if we can this a bit. You can see, oh. So, my first item, oh, look at that beauty. Oh my goodness. How gorgeous. Oh, I love this one. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this yummy yellow. These are garden gems, and they should be out soon. So that's pretty awesome. I'll be making something in February out of this. It's pretty special. That's awesome. And it is by Kathy Engel for Studio 180 Designs. Oh, look at the purple. Oh my gosh. You gotta love that purple. Oh, look at the green. The green is awesome. Okay, so that's cool. I got, this is 2 yards of a light and a dark that go with this pre-cut, which is this is Farm Fresh. Ooh, so there's 42 pieces, 20 different fabrics, 42 pieces. Nice, gorgeous, awesome. And then a beautiful kind of an orangey red and a kind of a butterscotch color. It's called Floral and Cantaloupe. Oh, yummy. Love the names. So that's pretty awesome. I got, black, white, and gray. These are amazing. So these are awesome to work with. Okay. And some batting. Some Hobbs Heirloom batting. And this is the natural, and it's a queen size. I love Hobbs. I got a nice selection of Arthil thread. Some really good colors. Oh, there's two more. So wow. So purple, green. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 spools. Yay. And this is from Schmetz Needles. I got a packet. And inside the packet is, I'm going to pour it out. Still more. So I've got several different needles. I've got some chrome, professional 10, 14s, and 12s. These are great needles. I got a needle guide, and I got, so that's a needle guide. Yeah. I got an eyeglass cleaner. I use that for my screens as well. I got a luggage tag needle guide. Luggage. And, and a notebook. Always can use a notebook. And another needle guide with all the colors, which is nice because I don't know about you, but I can't really read the information on them. So when I can see the colors, it tells me what size and what kind of needle it is. That's pretty awesome. Oh, and then let's see, one more thing in this box. And it says a surprise. So that'll be a surprise for later. Dump that box on the ground, and I've got another box. It's just as big. There's a big piece of cardboard. Ooh. This is 2 yards of a yellow, yummy. It's like flowers, and a red dot. And it is just gorgeous. I got, a strip set in Melody. Love that name. And then 2 greens. Ooh, look at how pretty that is together. Very nice. I got 6 yards of, it's called egg or egg white, and it's kind of got green in it. It's very yummy with a little bit of kind of a minty and celery kind of greens. Awesome. Let's see. Here is 2 yards to go with another cut, and there's purple and then a light purple. I think that's my favorite ever, this one here. I got, ooh, a black batting. Love that black batting for dark quilts. And I got Poly Down. Poly Down is really nice. It's lightweight. It's a very airy quilt. And this one is a queen size. I do like Poly Down. It's one of my favorite battings. All of Hobbs are my favorite. Oh, and another one. And this one is a cotton queen size. So this is the premium. I think this is the Heirloom 80/20. It's what I use most of. Okay. Oh, what's that? Oh, I got a rayon fabric. 2 yards of a rayon. I can make a blouse out of that. Quite pretty. I got, these are half-yard bundles, and these are some basics. So there's some really nice pieces. Oh my. The January, I'll probably use these for January, I think, maybe. I've got something really fun planned for January. And last but not least, I've got 2 of these stash builder bundles, and they are 2.8 yards in each one, and they're 5-inch strips, and this one's all purples, yummy yummy, and this one is all creams. Oh, that is just perfect. Love those. And oh, I got some Island Batik buttons, oh, in a couple different colors. I would put these on if I was going to a quilt show. Whenever we get to go to a quilt show. Maybe sometime for 2021 we'll get to go to a quilt show. Anyway, so that's my awesome, beautiful pile. I'm going to go ahead and screen my camera down so you can see the pile of goodness on here. All kinds of good things on, and the surprise. So there's all kinds of goodness in here. Oh my.